We'll guide you through how to download and install any Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11. You need to do this in order to go and use Wi-Fi. So to get started, go down and right click on the Windows Start button and click on Device Manager. Then what you need to do is you need to go and find Network Adapters and expand it to the left. Now go and find your adapter. Mine is this one here. So what you can do is you can go and right click on it and you can then go and click on Update Driver like so. You can do an automatic search. Go and see if it finds anything and it installs them. In my case, it doesn't. So then what we can do is we now know the name of it here, the full name. So you can put that into Google, or if it's Wi-Fi built into your motherboard, search for motherboard make and model. I search for the make and model of my motherboard and drivers and I can come here. Then what I can do is I can go and find driver and I can go and select LAN drivers and I can then get my Wi-Fi drivers. It's that simple. We've downloaded them. And then what I can do is go and extract the zip file. Now I can run the installer and follow through the steps and they'll be installed. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.